This is our 9x49 modern vertical milling machine. This machine is made by the same company in Taiwan that makes the WEBB mills. As I said, it has a 9x49 table, a larger 15-inch knee. It's got a servo feed, Mitutoyo DRO, both for X and Y, and also on the quill. It's 3 horsepower variable speed. If you look at the close-ups in the regular picture, the table and the ways are both very good on this machine. I'm going to show you a few things. DRO is functioning. Both axes. Power feed. Slowing it down rapidly. Changing direction. Going to bring the head on. Feeding, but we'll show you that in high range. Slower, faster. Going into the high range. This is our modern 9x49 inch vertical milling machine. Thank you for watching.